Hey, what's up, guys? I'm outside today. Today is a very important day today. I get my car back. Now, for those of y'all who don't know, I was in an accident October 5th. So my car has been gone almost 7 months. So GM went on strike, and that pushed my car getting fixed back this long. So today it should arrive. I'm outside. I've been up since about 6 o'clock this morning. I'm very excited about getting my car back, and I can't wait. Now, it should show up somewhere in front of the house, right? Let's turn around here. This is where I'm at. And when it pulls up, we're going to show you exactly what it looks like. For those of you all who don't know, I am going to post this probably on both channels, on my car review channel, Huck's World Car Auto Reviews, and then, of course, Huck's World Powered by Tech. So look out for this video. I can't wait. I can't wait. I've been driving this rental car for a very long time. I've had two since my car has been in the shop. So I'm excited, you all. I cannot wait. It's going to be like a brand new car, simply because I haven't had it in 7 months. I've only had the car 18 months before, a little bit over 18 months before the accident took place. And I'm going to get it back. So we're going to test drive it after we fumigate it and clean it out a little bit, so far as people working on my car, sitting in my car, considering that, you know, we got the coronavirus and the way that it's being transmitted. So just hold tight, you all, because it's on its way. I'm going to give it about another, I don't know, maybe hopefully 45 minutes before it arrives, considering where it's coming from. But let's take a look at the car that I've been driving. How about that? You all? This is the car I've been driving. This is the Nissan Altima. Now, it's been a pretty good drive. It's not bad. It's not the car for me, but of course it looks great. The car is good on gas. It's small, but it's not a bad deal for everyday driving, from day to day. But there's little quirks about this car that I didn't like, especially with the infotainment system and the connecting of the Bluetooth. It seems like every time that I've gotten into the car, I had to reconnect it. There's a pause on the opening up of the doors. Like if you want to open up the back door, you hit it twice or you hit it too fast, it will not open. And just a few little bitty things, but all in all, it's not a bad look. I like it. I like the rear end. The ride is very smooth. But the seats are hard. So I'm very excited about getting my car back. I cannot wait, you all. I just got the call that my car is on its way. They can't give me an ETA on it, but it should be here soon. So hold tight, because here it comes. All right, the Cadillac CT6 is here, finally. I am so excited. You should see the way I'm looking. But right now, I got a huge smile on my face. Wow, she looks nice. It looks like I'm receiving this car for the very first time. She's clean. She's clean. They did a good job. Look at the rims. They didn't detail the rims on this one. Oh, I'm loving it. Let's look around to the back. Oh, they put new exhaust tips on here. This thing is clean. Ah, beautiful. That's my baby, you all. She finally made it. It's been 7 months since I've been in her, and definitely we're going to take her for a test drive today. We're going to also get an oil change as well. They did a good job all the way around. For those of you all who don't know, I got rear-ended back in October 5th, the exact date. She looks good. She looks good. I got to pay this guy. I got a deductible to pay, and somebody's alarm is going off while I'm doing this video, but it's okay. My family wants to come out to see the car. They miss it. Boy, those guns on the back looks nice. All right, we're waiting on the driver to get out, so therefore we can let the car down. and we'll check out this car coming off the flatbed. Okay, you all, we're doing this without no microphone. Finally got the car off the flatbed, and she's beautiful. Now, I didn't went and filled her up, right? Took her right down the street, filled it up, topped off the tank, and we're gonna do a walk around just to see what kind of work they did. They cleaned out the inside a little bit, but it seems that I still need to really detail the inside of the car. But this is where it got hit at. Check it out. This is the back end. So the back bumper was towed off. I mean, it was so bad it was hitting the ground. Brand new bumper. It got painted. Looks pretty good. It's not bad. Not bad. But to not have my car for 7 months suck. It sucks really, really big time. They cleaned it up pretty good, but it's raining out here. I'm gonna do a full review on this car. And just hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you'd like to see that. We'll either put it on my car review channel, or we'll put it on my tech channel here. But the front end needed work too. My bumper got bagged into, so we had to have that taken care of, like where you see the plate. See how it's bent up right here? Got bumped right here, and it scraped up the whole bumper. Oh wow, hold on, what did they do? Oh, we got to call them back. They just painted the bumper. They did not fix it. Oh no, we got to call them back. Look like we're gonna be getting this car refixed. Oh, you gotta be kidding! Look at the screws. The caps are gone. Oh, you gotta be kidding! I could buy more caps, but it don't look like they did a great job. Look at this. You see the scratches right here? That there was painted over. Nope. Got to call them back. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. I am so glad to have my car back. You really don't know how much. We're happy to have the car back, except for that little minor mishaps. But I'm excited. I don't know if you can see it on my face. I miss my Caddy. It's been a long time since we had it, and it feels different compared to the car that you see behind me. If you can see it. Let's go ahead and drop this down. That is the Nissan, right? I've been driving that one. It's small, smaller tires, so it's going to give you a different ride. The steering is different. And yeah, but it was nice though. I like the sound system. The gas mileage on it was pretty good as well, but just nothing like nothing like the Caddy. Nothing like the Caddy, you all. All right, that's going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for supporting me, and I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care, be safe, and peace out.